Tarun's father. And first of all, thanks everyone for being here and thanks for all your support. This means a lot. And Aishwarya and Tarun got married yesterday, and this was brewing from last few months, and they fell in love. They got married, and uh, my son's actually from the U.S. And I saw the media information that he was an assistant director with Shankar Sir, which is not true. So he worked with Hari as an assistant director for the last 5 months in Ratnam. Because Hari is my childhood friend. He's my classmate from childhood. So my son is an engineer by background. He's an IT degree, but he's also have a movie background. So he wanted to work in the movie. So that's how we ended up here. And in the process, he met Aishwarya. Everything happened. God blessed. So thank you so much. It's very, very important for us to give you that information. And so he was born and raised in the US, but he's also spent a lot of time in India. And he's a US citizen. Uh, and on top of everything, we are very happy to invite you and share only the information that is necessary. So please, let's keep it focused. Please, help us, make this very, very, meaningful. Thanks a lot. And one more thing, I'm very blessed to have Aishwarya as my daughter-in-law. We have known Shankar sir's family for the last about 20 years, but on and off through a common friend. So we've known each other. So that's another wonderful thing. So we're not new to each other. So thanks a lot. And with this, I'll pass on the microphone to my son. Take it from there. Thank you.
Hello everyone, thanks for coming. We certainly need your blessings, so we're happy to be here. Yeah, that's one of the things we wanted to say was I didn't work as an assistant with Shankar uncle, and my father and I, we run our own IT company. It's based in the US, and so I've studied IT, and that's my background, and that's something we wanted to convey to everyone. And we got married yesterday, and I think we're happy to share this news with everyone, and we are happy to have all of you here. So thank you for coming, and yes.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த ஒரு நல்ல தருணத்தில் அவங்க எல்லாரையும் சந்திக்கிறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எங்களுடைய வேண்டுகோளை ஏற்று இங்கே வருகை தந்த அனைத்து மீடியா நண்பர்களையும் வருக வருகன்னு வரவேற்கிறேன். என்னோட இந்த 31 வருஷம் வளர்ச்சிக்கு காரணமாக இருந்த உங்கள் அத்தனை பேருக்கும் இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் என்னோட நன்றியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் மனசார இந்த கப்பலை ப்ளஸ் பண்ணணுன்னு வேண்டி கேட்டுக்கிறேன். நன்றி.